Hi kids, today learn a small letter with coloring and tracing. Let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Introduction to color names. Green color, brown color, blue color, red color, yellow color, light green color, orange color, golden color, pink color, grey color, purple color. Let's start coloring. I love coloring. Do you like coloring? Okay. Read and fill the colors. Red color A. A for apple. A for apple. Yellow color B. B for bear. B for bear. Light blue color C. C for cat. C for cat. Dark green color D. D for duck. D for duck. Orange color E. E for elephant. Purple color F. F for fish. Pink color G. G for giraffe. G for giraffe. Light green color H. H for hen. H for hen. Grey color I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Golden color J. J for jelly. J for jelly. Pink color K. K for kite. K for kite. Brown color L. L for lion. L for lion. Red color M. M for monkey. M for monkey. Yellow color N. N for nose. N for nose. Green color O. O for orange. O for orange. Red color P. P for pigeon. P for pigeon. Yellow color Q. Q for queen. Light blue color R. R for red. Orange color S. S for sun. S for sun. Light green color T. T for tree. Pink color U. U for umbrella. Golden color V. V for van. V for van. Purple color W. W for window. W for window. Light green color X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y. Brown color Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Yellow color Z. Z for zebra.
Please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.